I'm gonna be 28 years old. What? What happened? Hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love to sew, hence why my sewing machine is back there. If you are a returning subscriber, what's up? What's good? How are you? What are you sewing? What have you been up to? Have you donated any masks yet? I have not donated any masks, but I have sewn some for people in my family and I'm getting ready to send some to my parents. I just want to come on here and talk about my birthday plans. Who else has a birthday in April? And you're probably thinking to yourself, oh my God, my birthday. What am I going to do? My birthday is April 21st, okay? I'm a Taurus, all right? I'm a stubborn Latina queen, okay? And I was thinking to myself, what can I do? What can I sew that's kind of like spring-ish that I can wear even when this whole situation is over? Like, what can I, Melissa, sew? And then I realized, like, oh my God, Simplicity S 9114 by Mimi G. Look at this outfit, okay? First of all, Mimi G, we already know she's lovely and gorgeous. I love the tank. I love these pants. I don't know if I will make this top or not, simply because I do have, my arms are always a big insecurity. You guys already know that. But the top and the pants, super cute. The pants, for sure. I don't want to make this because I can't picture myself wearing it. I can't picture myself just being like, hey, I'm gonna throw this on. I just can't. I can't see myself sewing it, so I'm not gonna do it. But I'm going to sew the pants for sure. The top, I don't know yet. I don't know if I will sew it. We will see. And the fabric that I'm going to use is this one. If I do decide to sew the top, I might just make a whole outfit with, this, the top and the pants. And then like with my cute white Converse or some white sneakers or some cute little black heels or some nude heels. This fabric is gonna look amazing and it's stretchy. I bought this at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if it's still available, but look at how stretchy this is. It's amazing. And so let me rewind, okay? I was trying to make these pants. The Macau's M7726. Yes, I was, okay? I made the blue version that I posted on my Instagram. It's all right, but it's still a little too baggy in the front. Like in my pelvic area, it just jumbles up. And I don't know if I made the pleats right or the box pleats right or if I needed to sew. I don't know. It's just a hot mess. And I'm like, do I really want to spend more time on this pattern or go straight to this one, the Simplicity S9114? And I'm like, I might as well just start over. Like, the Macau's pattern was a great pattern for me to adjust. I made so many adjustments to that. But now I want to see what I can do with this pattern, which is just a little bit more simpler. And it has some details in there that I really, really like. So this is my progress. Okay, and I think I made a mistake already. A trick that I've learned is to use a bigger zipper. This one is a 20 inch. A 20 inch. I usually try to use like a 16 inch, but I mean, this is okay. It's thrifted, it's fine, it does the job. And then when I'm done sewing it, I just cut it off and I can either hand stitch it or running through the machine, depending on the teeth material. But I think I made a mistake already because this is supposed to overlap and now it's messing with the crotch area. So I have to iron it out and see and watch Mimi G's tutorial again to see what I did wrong. And then this is like the little additional piece in the back. But that's what I'm going to be working on. I don't know how long it'll take me, but I want to have it done before my birthday. You guys, I still have my son's PJs over there, okay? You guys remember, like, several months ago, they were cut and everything, and I just keep avoiding them. But but because I'm sending masks to my mom, I'm gonna go ahead and sew these up. And my kids are with my mom right now. I'm gonna sew these up and I'm gonna send them. That way my son has them. I'll probably sew my daughter something because I know they miss me. So we'll see. We'll see, okay? That's it, you guys. I just wanted to stop by and say hi. I will be back with more videos. I still have all my cool little sewing tools that I want to show you guys because they're awesome. And yeah, I hope everybody's doing okay. I know this is a short video, but it is what it is, okay? Yeah, I will see you guys in a few more days. I hope everybody's doing okay in this weird time. 2020 is kicking our butt. Yes, it is. Thank you so much. Don't forget to have a great day, week, and month so you can get through this entire year. Okay? Thank you, guys. Bye.